मेडिकल तालीम और सेहत के मैदान में नुमाया खिदमात अंजाम देने वाले मारूफ समाजी कारकुन डॉक्टर यूटी इफ्तिखार को प्रेसिडेंसी यूनिवर्सिटी की जानिब से तहनीत पेश की गई। वाज़ेह रहे यूटी इफ्तिखार सेहत के मैदान में नुमाया खिदमात अंजाम देते रहे हैं। कोविड के दौर में बेमिसाल खिदमात इनके शामिल रहे हैं। हाल ही में यूटी इफ्तिखार अली को NCAHP के तहत चलने वाला इदारा अलाइड एंड हेल्थ केयर काउंसिल कर्नाटक का सदर नामजद किया गया है। इसी ज़िमन में यह तहनीती इजलास मुनक्कद हुआ था। यूटी इफ्तिखार कर्नाटक असम्बली स्पीकर यूटी खादर के भाई हैं। प्रेसिडेंसी यूनिवर्सिटी के चांसलर डॉक्टर निसार अहमद ने यूटी इफ्तिखार की खिदमात का एतराफ़ करते हुए इन्हें तहनीत पेश की। इस मौके पर प्रेसिडेंसी यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर डॉक्टर अनुभा सिंह, प्रेसिडेंसी ग्रुप के वाइस प्रेसिडेंट सलमान और सुहेल मौजूद रहे। इस मौके पर मारूफ इस्लामिक स्कॉलर मरकज़ नॉलेज सिटी के डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर मोहम्मद अब्दुल हकीम अजहरी भी शामिल रहे।
Markaz Knowledge City is located in Kozhikode, Kerala, and it is a private, well-planned city. Probably unknown to a lot of us, I'm sure many of you will be googling it right away. It's a huge milestone for the state of Kerala and in the education arena. A standing ovation, please.
A pleasant afternoon to one and all. Dr. Iftikhar Farid, whom I fondly refer to as Ifti, and my colleagues at the university, ladies and gentlemen, it's my personal honor for me to have the esteemed presence of Dr. Iftikhar amongst us today. Thank you, sir. I have known Dr. Iftikhar for over 2 decades now, and I marvel at the manner in which he balances his professional career and his service to the community at large. Highly accomplished, yet so very humble, Dr. Iftikhar has over last many years has been beacon of hope for the underprivileged in the country in general and Karnataka in particular. He has been in the forefront of propagating education amongst the underprivileged, and especially so for the girls from the economically backward communities. During the pandemic, when it was next to impossible to receive timely treatment, Dr. Iftikhar was a God-sent angel, helping me to secure hospital beds for whomever I had referred, including many of our employees from the university, from the schools, from friends, relatives. I don't know how he managed. Those days getting one bed was next to impossible. Dr. Ifti, I really thank you. He obliged us with a request at the time of crisis. I cannot thank him enough for having stood by me when my dear friend and our founder trustee of our sponsoring body, Mr. Shah, passed away in an accident in Bangalore. I got a call around 7 or 8 in the night that he had met with an accident and passed away. So he immediately morning, the first flight available to Bangalore was in the morning. I took the morning flight, went to the hospital. Dr. Ifti, he had come to know, he was there. He stood by me there at that moment of grief, right till the post-mortem was done, and he made sure that it was all done in a couple of hours, which would have taken at least 1 or 2 days, and ensured the body reached Bangalore by evening, and the family was there, and we finished the last rites. And I'm equally grateful to Dr. Iftikhar for assisting me for the most challenging phase of establishing this Presidency University when it was in progress. Thank you, sir. A social activist and a renowned educationist, Dr. Iftikhar has been and continues to be an academician in allied health sciences. His contribution to the enrichment of the academic and research initiative of physiotherapy program at Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences as its syndicate member has been commendable. In recognition of his contribution to the society, Dr. Iftikhar has been bestowed with many accolades and recognition. It's indeed befitting honor that Dr. Iftikhar has been nominated to the esteemed office of the Chairman of Allied Healthcare Council, Karnataka, a body under National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Profession. Congratulations. I deem it my honor to extend Dr. Iftikhar a very rewarding tenure as the Chairman of the Council, and we look forward to his guidance to Presidency Group as he always been. The management, staff and students of Presidency Group wish him all success. May Almighty bestow upon Dr. Iftikhar and his family all the beautiful blessings of life, good health, happiness, peace and prosperity. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, Ustad. Then my two brothers, the Vice President, Vice Chairman Suhail and the Vice President Salman, and my aunt is there, my daughter Azima and kids, and the absence of Nafisa, the director and Tamir, and all the NEET members, Mustafa sir and Samshuddin, and the teaching faculty members, non-teaching faculty members, and all, including Munawar. I can see many of my family members here today. Welcome you all. And I'm not going to talk much because I'm in a mixed bag now, because I can see Hakim Azhar is on the stage. I'm speechless, I'm not able to talk also. And it's a blessing for me. I can see this is one of the most honored felicitation I can have ever in my life, or I've ever had after changing this council. So when this answer was very particular to be here for this function, I was just wondering, Presidency University is now involved with science like our own Rajiv University of Health Sciences. But then I was wondering, Presidency University should now kickstart with 2024-25 or 2025-26 with at least 20 to 24. We have 51 allied courses under National Health Commission, and in 51 in Karnataka Health Commission under Rajiv Gandhi and other private universities we have 149. In that we have 4 vertical things like 4 other university, like any universities, you have only 2 hours of affiliation and examination. Rest everything is going to come under this council. Rest all the courses which affiliate to the allied will come under this council. So I wish the ma'am, very few ladies I have seen as a vice chancellor in India, not in Karnataka, in India. So I just want to, through you and the pro-vice chancellor, the chancellor, to inform you that by 2025, I am the sanctioning authority for the allied in Karnataka, and being a private university, at least you start with 20 courses now. If not, physiotherapies, if like physiotherapy, speech therapy, occupation therapy, medical technology, perfusion, OT, AT, dialysis, BHA, and psychology. At least go with the first 10 courses. Then we think of embryology, forensic, everything comes under this. Other than medical, dental, nursing, all comes under this. This is a very strong act, ma'am. This is one of its time. Even now the meeting is going on, but I'm here. I've gone on virtual. The National Committee is very particular about this bill, and it's going to start. We are going to effectively start from October 15. And this council has got only a non-medical profession. They are eligible to be a chairperson. It can be anything of on these 51 professions. And we have our office in Bangalore Medical Education, in Bangalore Medical College. We have all the state ministry protocol given from OSD secretaries. So I think seeing this university, I had walked around and seen the ambience of this university. I visited many universities as I went to Ennapai, I'm going to meet tomorrow, Shema. I've been to Srinivas University. But I feel every college that is allied. I think, ma'am, if you're not taking interest, I'm going to take interest on this. And I'll see that by 2025, you're going to start at least with 10 courses. And I will to Nisal sir now. We don't have any private universities like you have two, three come up now, Saptagiri and Ramaya. And next we should be having a medical college should be Presidency University. Now that I told sir not now, the day my brother who was a speaker of Iftikhar who was health minister then, I told sir then to start medical college. Then sir was more on focused on engineering other courses. And I am very sure by 2025, by the blessings of all you faculty members and teaching faculty members, I am very sure that this is going to be turned into a medical university too. And when it comes to technical engineering and schools, Presidency of a good name, and Madam Councilman or let it be the Nisad Saral's family, they all live from Bangalore, a place called Bangalore, and there's a program now they come and established in Bangalore. That's a big challenge. And when I see now it's a dream come true for Nisad sir and his family, and when he spoke in his speech, very closely about us about COVID, it's not me actually. Actually, it was Nisad sir in the COVID time. He was always to fund all the doctors, patients over there. He has given the first ambulance which we ran under me in our foundation in the constituency was known as Presidency University ambulance. That ambulance was here, he gave us there in Bangalore. Thank you, sir. I couldn't tell you all those days. Now it's a time we done few things about Nisad sir also. Then it was a kit, I asked him, then he gave me the kit. Then what not I can tell you, recently I asked him for ambulance, where even he gave that ambulance. And it's no words to tell about Nisad sir and his family, what he does. He doesn't need noise actually. He is very simple and humble in the family. But very few people I have seen in this country, they make more noise and they do not less. And Nisad sir is the opposite side. He is quite humble and simple and does more work and less noise. So that's God gift for him. That's the reason he was honored as a doctorate. So he is known as Dr. Nisad Ahmed. And I feel next he should be by all your support, he should be a Rajya Sagawari. We deserve that. And I'm not going to take more of your time. I can see Hakim Azhar is sitting here in this dais, and I'm nervous to walk in front of him. And you don't know about him, what he is. You can Google him about his knowledge city, how he has done. And Presidency University should visit his campus to see the education and the thing how he has done. He is an international man. He has toured more than 150 countries, and he knows much about education than anyone over here in this age. And I thank you, man. I'm not taking much of your time. It's already 4 o'clock time for us to back home to pick up your kids and children and all these people. And I'm very sure anything of yours, your siblings or any of your family members want to study in science, like any courses, let it be nursing, physics, pharmacy, Ayurveda, Ayush, you can approach me. And there is a learning force for all in item. Thank you, Nisad sir and family, for inviting me today and giving me such an honor. I will always remember this in my heart. And thank you all my Papa family members to be for this function. Thank you, and all.
Good evening and a very warm welcome to you. It's a great honor and privilege for all of us today at Presidency to gather here and celebrate the felicitation of a truly remarkable individual and leader, Professor Dr. Iftikhar Ali, Chairman of the Allied and Healthcare Council, Karnataka. Today, we are not only merely recognizing a professional, we are celebrating a visionary leader whose contributions to the field of medical, healthcare, and I would stress upon education or academic world is truly remarkable. It is nothing short than a transformative journey which we are all truly very proud of. Professor Dr. Iftikhar Ali has dedicated his life to ensuring that the next generation of healthcare professionals are equipped not just with the knowledge, but also compassion and the wisdom of making a real life difference in the world. Throughout his illustrious career, Sir has played a very pivotal role in shaping the landscape of allied health education and medical care. His leadership as the chairman of the Allied Healthcare Council of Karnataka shall result in the establishments of new standards of excellence, fostering an environment where innovation thrives, where the well-being of citizens, well-being of patients remain at the forefront of every initiative. We are so very grateful to all that he has done for Presidency University, and we look forward to a truly continued, I would say, blessing and advice. Under Sir's guidance, we have witnessed a remarkable enhancement in the quality of accessibility of I would say health and medical education. His efforts have led to the development of comprehensive curricula. I say that as an academic, and when I was going through the profile, I was so very impressed with his contribution to the academic field. He's not only imparted the theoretical knowledge, but also emphasized on practical skills, most importantly, ethics and empathy. His achievements extend beyond the classroom, influencing policy making at the highest level and setting benchmarks that have been adopted by institutions in the state and nationwide, if I may say. One of the most significant contributions to Dr. Iftikhar Ali has made in the field of interprofessional health education. His vision of fostering collaboration among various health institutions and discipline has truly made a very remarkable achievement in the field of, I would say, education. By breaking down the silos and encouraging various kind of collaboration, he has ensured that healthcare professionals are better prepared to meet the complex challenges in today's world, including as we were listening to our Chancellor Sir's, I would say, speech on how he has helped every individual who suffered during COVID. We are truly honored to have you with us, sir, today. It's truly our privilege and honor. Thank you for your dedication, your vision, your commitment, and your unwavering, I would say, guidance to institutions like Presidency. May you continue to inspire and lead for many years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving a very big round of applause to the exceptional Professor, Dr. Iftikhar.